welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the white peafowl in Heartopia. Finally, I found the bird. It was very difficult and very time consuming, so just be warned for that. It took me like days, not even hours, but actual days, because you can find them in any weather condition and any time of day as well. But you do have to join a bird event at the beach, not at the beach, like in the fishing village area. So an easier way to do this, it does work. I tried this yesterday, but I just wasn't in the server where the white peafowl was. So I had to try again like the next day and then the next day. But I got lucky and it was like in the server I was in. So I didn't have to do the trick. But basically, as you can see, this is phase 1 of the bird watching event in the fishing village, okay? So again, just pop bubbles, and it is a little bit easier to get to the second phase when it is either raining or when there is a rainbow. But it worked anyways for today, so I don't know. It's still just like based on luck, I assume. But just pop bubbles and take pictures and complete the personal goals, the team goals as well. Once you've reached phase 2, and here's the most important part, and just listen to me guys, okay? So, when I got to phase 2, there was the white peafowl bird. However, it will not spawn on everybody's second phase. It's going to be the same for the black peafowl and then the green neck peafowl as well. It really depends on luck, unfortunately, for some reasons. I don't know why they made it like that, but the blue peafowl will always appear. The blue neck peafowl will always appear, but not the white, black, and the green neck peafowl, okay? Alright, so once you reached phase 2, and hopefully it's there. As you can see, I immediately got it, thankfully, because I've been trying to find this bird for actual days. And then, if it's not there, you are going to just take pictures though of whatever bird there is in the second phase. Just do it. Just do the event. Finish it. Once you finish it, you are going to go to another server. It doesn't Okay, don't go to your friend's server because you might get back to the server you were in. So go to somebody else's town and hope for the best the white peafowl is there. Or you, for instance, didn't get to the second phase, you are going to still want to do that. However, again, it only works when the event is Bailey's event. It will not work if you start the event because obviously when you get out of town, the event will just be ended because you started the event. It won't work if your friend started it. It only works if Bailey starts it because it's going to be the same event in every server. I hope you understand where I'm going with that, but okay. So again, then you're just going to transfer to another server, another town, and hopefully you will get the peafowl that you need. It's the same for the black one as well. I think that's the last one that I need on level, I believe 13 of bird watching or 12. I'm not there yet. Also, you need to be level 11 for the white peafowl one. But yeah, it's also the same for the green neck peafowl, which is, I don't remember what level you need to be. But oh my gosh, this video is 4 minutes, but I'm sorry the explanation is taking so long because it's just a little bit difficult to find. It's one of the most difficult birds to find. I got very lucky with the green neck peafowl. I just got it when I reached the second phase, and that's why I was like, why did everyone have a hard time finding it? But now I get it, you know? Anyways, that is it. I hope you get your peafowls, guys. But don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!